Okay, I tried Deer Point. It didn't work.
When I started, people thought I was crazy. When I started Jupan, people were like, what is this thing? And most people thought, my family included, they thought it's a scam. I just started a new scam and whatsoever. But now, when they started seeing me smashing bonuses, and then they started checking, this thing is real.
But here's the truth, it's not about luck, and it's certainly not about looks, and also not about status. Deerpoint gives every South African exactly the same opportunity. So, what is the difference? Some people will take the Deerpoint opportunity and treat it like a career, working on it on a daily basis and speaking to people. While other people will go and speak to a couple of family and friends and blame Deerpoint and say, it's not working, it's a scam. Now, if you bought a McDonald's franchise and you opened the store only twice, and your store does not make any money, is it McDonald's fault? No. And I dare you. Next week, go to your office only twice instead of 5 times. Let's see if your boss is going to fire you or not. Again, it's not going to be your boss's fault. You pitched only twice. The point is no different. It works when you work on it. What makes the top earners special? Nothing. They're just talking to more and more people and keep on sharing the information, connecting people to Deerpoint on a daily basis. Most people are addicted to their phones and scroll through social media endlessly without any productivity. Why not download the Deerpoint app on your phone and use your phone usefully? Your app does all the explaining for you. No complicated presentations, no explaining, and no chasing people or trying to convince them to join. If you are tired to work for somebody else, if you are tired of being overlooked for promotion, if you are tired to hear, sorry, there's no money for increases, if you're just tired to struggle financially, WhatsApp me 062 175 0825 and I promise to share the free information with you that got me started.